In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Amazon Prime student verification is in progress. Let's get started. So if your verification is taking too long, the first thing to know is that the process can sometimes take a few hours or even a couple of days, especially if manual review is required. So give it a little time before trying anything else. If it's been too long, the first fix is to check your email. Make sure you have clicked on any verification link sent by Amazon, and also check your spam or junk folder just in case. Missing this step can keep your status stuck. Next, try logging out of Amazon account and logging back in. This can refresh your verification status. You can also try using a different browser or device, or clear your browser cache if you're on desktop. Another important step is to make sure your submitted details are correct. Your name should match your student records exactly, and any uploaded documents like student ID or enrollment proof should be clear and valid. If needed, you can cancel the current verification and submit it again with correct details. If the issues still continue, update your Amazon app to its latest version, or try completing the process through a web browser instead of app. Finally, if nothing works and your verification is still stuck, the best option is to contact Amazon customer support. They can check your account status and manually complete or reset your verification if needed. And that's it. That's how you can fix verification in progress issue for Amazon Prime student. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.